Zimbabwe's Catholic bishops have issued a pastoral letter warning that the proposed constitutional amendment number 3 could undermine the democratic governance by concentrating power in the executive and weakening the role of citizens in choosing their leaders. Sanapita mashoko obuda panguva ino mutungamiriri wenyika panguva ino achipawo warnings nemachechi. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. The proposed constitutional amendment number 3 seeks to make the significant changes to Zimbabwe's governance framework by shifting the power to elect a president away from the electorate to members of parliament. Among its central provisions is the extension of elected officials termed beyond the current 5-year mandate without a first vote. In a statement dated 19 March 2026, the Zimbabwe Catholic Bishop Conference said the amendment raises profound questions about governance, trust, and the common good, and cautioned against the changes that would shift authority away from voters. The bishops expressed concern over provisions that could remove direct presidential elections, extend the terms of elected officials without a fresh mandate, and bypass constitutional safeguards such as referendums. They said such measures would diminish the principle that all legitimate authority flows from the people. The statement also warned that the proposed changes could weaken independent institutions including the judiciary and electoral bodies by increasing executive influence over appointments and key electoral processes. It said this risked undermining public confidence in the fairness and transparency of elections. Addressing members of parliament and senators, the bishops urged lawmakers to act in the national interest and resist pressure to support measures that could erode democratic accountability. They called on legislators to be guided by conscience and to prioritize the common good over political considerations. Tomba developments are kubuda panguva inoi. Panachamisa section medu zovhungura aim out kudipa pamusoro pechituko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.